am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Bombay and Cedar box. This is an awesome box that is geared toward aromatherapy, healthy lifestyle, relax, heal, cleanse, as it says on the box, and I have been loving these boxes. So let's just see what's in this one. Okay. Very nice. I love that the box has a little, "Hello, welcome to a luxury experience that offers the opportunity for discovery and change. A sense of exploration mixed with the yearning to learn more. A beautiful story coupled with inspiration. High quality products, carefully curated with a touch of love. Enjoy." The card, "All you need is love." This is obviously the February box. And then they always have this little booklet. Yeah, so it just, you know, talks about some of the stuff. It's kind of nice. I like that they have that in there. I'm very excited. This box smells so good. Ooh, what's in here, I wonder? Copper tongue scraper. This useful tool seriously reduces bacteria nasties on your tongue, helping keep it fur-free and breath-smelling fresh. Wow, it's like ginormous, but I can see how this would work. It's got kind of this flat edge, you know, that definitely has, you know. Okay, all right, cool. That's interesting. I'll use that. Feel renewed. Pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. That sounds amazing. Deep skin treatment plus gentle exfoliation. Pumpkin has enzymes in it that makes it a natural exfoliator, and walnut, I wonder if it has like actual walnut scrubbies in it. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna open this right meow. I am so excited to use this. And I am assuming, just because it's in this box, that it is cruelty-free and all natural and all that good stuff. Oh, yep, it definitely has some walnut scrubbies in there. Looks like it's kind of creamy. The walnut scrubbies are pretty fine. You know, it's not giant scrub. It smells so good. Pumpkin's smaller molecular structure lets it penetrate deeper into skin. Pumpkin is packed with alpha hydroxy acids, vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc, especially effective on dry or dull skin. Walnut powder for the most natural, gentle exfoliation made with natural foaming agents. No SLS. Well, this sounds fantastic. I am super excited about that. Okay, all right. Mini fan diffuser. Well, this is cute. Oh, and it says it has a free orange oil in it. That's nice. Portable essential oil diffuser. This is so nice, and it's so itty bitty. I have a larger one that I have in the kitchen, actually, that I use all the time. This is so cute. Well, there's the little orange essential oil. This is adorable. Because you could use this, you know, in your bedroom or whatever for all the time, or this would be great for if you travel a lot, and it could just be one of those nice things to help you feel at home, relaxed, all that good stuff. This would be great for like business travel, you know what I mean? Provence Apothecary Clear Skin Advanced Spot Treatment. Concentrated blend of superior botanicals targets the appearance of spots for a brighter, revitalized complexion. It purifies acne-prone skin without harsh drying or irritating ingredients, improving surface texture for healthier looking skin. One drop is all you need to rejuvenate your skin. It's $28. Damn, Gina. Okay, that is really interesting. I am curious to try that out and see how that goes. Oh, here's my essential oils, my Bombay and Cedar essential oils. Let's see what we got this month. Eucalyptus lemon and cedarwood. Ooh, that cedarwood smells so good. Cedarwood benefits: prevents infections, reduces inflammation, relieves spasms, health tonic, stimulates menstruation, eliminates cough, sedative effect. Okay, and then the eucalyptus lemon oil. The benefits are effective insect repellent, improves respiratory health, stimulates circulation, reduces inflammation, boosts immune system, relieves pain, prevents and heals insect bites, improves digestion, room deodorizer. Oh yeah, that's lemony eucalyptus. Smells good too though. Very clean, antiseptic almost. Baobab fruit powder? Oh my gosh, I have no idea what that is. Superfood, natural energy, antioxidant, immune booster, prebiotic, healthy digestion. Mix, stir, and sprinkle. Naturally sweet and tangy. So you can put it in smoothies, juice, tea, water, yogurt, cereal, popcorn, fruit, or salad. Baobab fruit is a nutrient powerhouse that boosts immunity, sustains energy, supports healthy digestion, and nourishes the skin. Our baobab, I'm probably totally saying that wrong, so somebody please teach me how to say this. Wild crafted in northern Ghana. Your purchase benefits these communities, improving access to education and healthcare. Founded by naturopathic physician Dr. Luke Mayes. Definitely powdery. I don't want to like snort it. It does not have a strong scent at all. I'll try that, like this kind of stuff, you know? By the way, in my last box, I got some moringa powder, which I absolutely loved. I've been putting it in my smoothies, and in fact, I bought a whole bag of it to use because I really, really like it. And then the book that I got last month, the Eat Pretty Live Well or whatever it's called, I've been using that and using it as my little food diary, and I've been loving this stuff. So anyway, that was last month's box. Okay, we still have more stuff. This looks like, I don't know what this is. Hang on. Look at this. It's a little like water bottle thing. It's glass, but it has the nice rubber protective thing on the outside, even on the bottom, which is nice. That's super cute. Spill resistant, real wood friction fit lid. All parts are BPA and BPS free. Top rack dishwasher safe. Nice. Hand wash the lid though. For cold drinks only. Do not freeze, do not microwave. 20 ounces. I love the wood top, that's so cute. Okay, and then I have, ooh, dark almond organic chocolate. Slow roasted toasty nut. Ultra eco. It's gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, 60% cocoa. Should I just try this right now? Yeah, I should. Okay, a giant piece broke off. I'm not gonna eat all this, but you can see it, and you can see all those nuts under there. It's definitely dark chocolate, but it has a nice rich sweetness to it. Love who you are. Okay, it says a screen printed cover and bright Weebelin binding. I don't know what that is. Enclose charming illustrations and messages of encouragement. Begin by loving yourself. Love the tomorrows you're heading into. Love that you will end up doing more than you can imagine. It just has like little pages, you know, love this, love that. Love yourself. Love your future wild mistakes. Love the parts of you that need more loving. Love your complexities. This is really cute. And keep on loving yourself with joy and perseverance. This is cute. I mean, there's way more into it. I'm flipping through a million pages at once, but nice. Okay, well that is it. That is my Bombay and Cedar for the month of February. Another fantastic, amazing box. I will definitely let you know what I think of this cleanser. I'm really excited to use this. But everything in here looks amazing. I'm so excited to try this stuff out. And I'm telling you, all the stuff that I got in last month's box, I have been loving. These boxes are amazing. So I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check out Bombay and Cedar for yourself. I think that you would love it, you know, if this is your kind of a thing. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!